Welcome to Love Garden Care. In today's video, we'll explore a completely natural, safe, and super easy way to care for red anthuriums right at home. With just a few simple household ingredients, you can keep your anthurium plants lush, healthy, and full of vitality. This method also keeps the leaves and flowers glossy throughout the year without using any chemical fertilizers. Now, I will start by checking the overall condition of the red anthurium. Upon closer inspection, I noticed several yellowing leaves, dried leaves, and some wilted stems that look lifeless. These parts not only reduce the plant's appearance, but also drain nutrients and hinder its growth. So, I gently remove all the dried leaves and wilted stems to improve airflow, reduce fungal issues, and create space for new shoots to grow. This is an essential step that helps the plant recover and prepares it to absorb nutrients effectively in the next stages. Next, I will use tangerine peel to create a natural fertilizer for the red anthurium. First, I peel the tangerine and cut the peel into small pieces. Tangerine peel contains essential oils, organic acids, and antioxidants that benefit the plant by providing antibacterial effects and helping cleanse the roots. Which country are you watching from? I'm happy to welcome you to Love Garden Care. Feel free to comment below so we can connect from different parts of the world. Then, I place the chopped tangerine peel into a clean jar. The next ingredient I'm using today is coffee. I add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee into the glass jar containing the tangerine peel. Then, I pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water to activate the nutrients from both the coffee and the tangerine peel. I stir the mixture well and let it sit for about 30 minutes, allowing the water to cool and the nutrients to fully dissolve into the solution. This mixture strengthens the plant's resistance, cleans the soil, environment, and helps the roots absorb nutrients more effectively. After letting the mixture sit for about 30 minutes, I stir it well and then strain out all the coffee grounds and tangerine peel, keeping only the extracted nutrient-rich liquid. This filtering step is essential because it removes residue that could clog the roots or promote mold growth in the growing medium. Proper filtering makes the solution cleaner, safer, and easier to use, whether watering the soil or spraying onto the leaves. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the solution. Diluting the mixture makes it gentler and prevents the plant from being shocked. Especially suitable for sensitive plants like Anthuriums. And with that, we now have a natural nutrient solution that is safe, easy for plants to absorb, and highly effective. Step 1. Clean the leaves using a diluted tangerine peel and coffee solution. I use a clean cotton pad soaked in the diluted tangerine peel and coffee solution. Then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves, both the top and bottom sides. Cleaning the leaves with this tangerine peel plus coffee mixture offers many excellent benefits for the plant. The natural essential oils and organic acids in tangerine peel help remove dust, bacteria, and residue from the leaf surface. The light minerals in coffee strengthen the leaves, boost photosynthesis, and enhance their deep green color. Thanks to the natural antibacterial and antifungal properties of tangerine peel combined with the antioxidants in coffee. This solution helps prevent mold and harmful bacteria from forming on the leaves. The leaves stay shiny, fresh, and are less likely to suffer leaf burn or yellow spots. If you enjoy Love Garden Care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple yet effective plant care tips. Step 2. Spray the tangerine peel and coffee solution on the entire Anthurium plant. After cleaning the leaves, I pour the diluted tangerine peel and coffee mixture into a clean spray bottle and spray evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, and the surface of the growing medium. Spraying this solution provides many clear benefits for the Anthurium. The essential oils and organic acids in tangerine peel have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. The antioxidants and light minerals in coffee help clean the leaf and stem surfaces, removing dust, thin fungal layers, and tiny insect eggs that are hard to see. When the leaves are clean and healthy, the plant absorbs nutrients more effectively. Photosynthesis and gas exchange improve, helping the plant grow stronger. His is a natural, safe, and highly effective care method, especially useful when the plant is weak or recovering after pruning. Step 3. Water the entire growing medium with the tangerine peel and coffee solution. After spraying the solution on the leaves and stems, I pour the remaining mixture directly onto the growing medium where the roots are developing. Watering with this mixture allows the nutrients from the tangerine peel and coffee to penetrate deeply into the roots, providing clear benefits for the plant. It cleans the root zone, disinfects the medium, and helps limit fungal growth at the base. It provides natural minerals that stimulate strong root growth and improve water absorption. It supports recovery after pruning, helping the plant revive quickly, produce new shoots, and prepare to bloom again. This step nourishes the plant from the roots, helping it stay healthy, vibrant, and long-lasting. Oak the base of the Anthurium in the natural fertilizer mixture for about 10 minutes to help the roots absorb nutrients more quickly. After soaking, I gently lift the plant out and place it in a spot with diffused light, allowing it to rest, adapt, and keep absorbing nutrients without being shocked by direct sunlight. Step 4. Dry the leaves to prevent diseases. After completing the care steps, I use a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe off any remaining moisture on the leaves, both the top and bottom sides. Drying the leaves is essential because if water stays on the leaf surface for too long, especially in tight leaf joints or near the stem, it can cause mold, leaf spots, and rot due to water accumulation. Leaf drying not only prevents disease, but also makes the leaves shinier, improves photosynthesis, and helps the plant stay healthier and more vibrant. And that completes our red Anthurium care routine using completely natural, easy to find, and plant-safe ingredients. With just a little time, patience, and care, you can help your plant recover, grow lush, and bloom beautifully again. Taking care of plants is like caring for your soul. When you give gentleness, the plant returns peace and resilience. Thank you for joining Love Garden Care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple yet inspiring plant care tips. See you in the next video.